Video guide for personal tracker parameter tool. To use the parameter tool, your computer system should be Windows. Software tool. Download personal tracker parameter tool on your computer. Install the driver on your computer. If your computer already installed the driver, skip this step. Get the device and our data cable ready. The data cable must be from our company. Other data cables will not work. Now connect the device to computer with our data cable. And open parameter tool and choose the correct COM port. Usually the COM port will be automatically selected here. If not, right-click this PC, click Manage, double-click Device Manager, click Ports. You will find the COM port here, COM4. Okay, COM4 correct. Baud rate choose 9600. Click Open. Now the device is ready for configuration. It has 8 pages to write the settings. Before write the settings, click Read to get the device existing settings first. Then we can write our settings. APN is the SIM card's APN. Then click Save. We can see writing done. Checking interval, click Read. We can change to 10, for example. Then click Save. Writing interval done. For the other pages, also we need to click Read first, then write our settings and click Save. This System Info, click Read. We can see the device's information. And select data. This is buffer data. If the tracker has GPRS or SMS buffer data and you don't need it, can tick and clear. Then the buffer data has been cleared. We can click Export Setting and save the settings in TXT file. Now this setting file can be used for next device. Factory default. If you don't want the settings you did just now, you can click OK. Now all the parameters have been back to the factory setting. Now let's check the parameters. The parameters can't refresh automatically. You need to click Read. Now this is the factory setting. All have been back to the factory setting. Now let's configure the device with the settings we did just now. Click Open. We can read the settings first. This is the factory default settings. Okay, now import the setting. Open. And save. We can see the process bar here. Okay, done. Click Read. This is the setting from this file. Read. You can change the settings and click Save. After all settings have been done, close the Pyramid tool and disconnect the device from computer. That's all.